Mpenzi mtazamaji, after a mysterious disappearance of a former cabinet secretary of foreign affairs Raphael Tuju, earlier today he had gone to record a statement in the current police station, and this was about being followed by, as he claimed, unmarked vehicles. And according to his lawyer Ndegwa Njiru, this is the moment that the police officers arrested him and forced him into a Subaru.
The police is abducting. Let all Kenyans know.
Also, according to Ndegwa Njiru, the police officers broke the back of the former cabinet secretary while forcing him to enter into that Subaru, and that's why you can see Tuju is crying in pain. And remember, this is in a police station.
He's in a police station. The police is abducting his Tuju. The police is abducting. Let all Kenyans know that the police is now abducting Honorable Tuju. They have brought him to Karen police station and they have refused to book him in an OB. They have forced him in a Subaru. They are actually breaking his back.
This is what you, as a human being, you would ever never want to experience. And outside the police station gate, the doctors who were coming to attend the cabinet secretary, they were blocked out and they had to be allowed in after what it was meant to be a call from above.
Hii gari ilikuwa imekuja kuchukua Tuju. Wamekataa hii gari ingie. Si ndio?
Lakini the way mnakuja ndio mnakuja vibaya. Why don't you do that?
Umefika ya uko chombo hapo. Rafael Tuju Rafael Tuju. Rafael Tuju nuka. Jogina na Rafael Tuju ka kuye. Tuju akitoka ndio tunafanya nini? Ita watu wa Kibira. Waite. No Tuju, no peace. No Tuju, no peace. No Tuju, no peace. No Tuju, no peace. Ongea kama Tuju Senego. Ongea kama Tuju Senego. Ongea kama Tuju Senego. Ongea kama Tuju Senego. Wananchi power. Tuju bila Tuju. Bila Tuju. Bila Tuju. Lakini si power ya Oburu. Oburu hapana, Oburu enda nani? Ongea kama Tuju Kwalo. Ongea kama Tuju. Mbunge wetu wapewe. Nataka mbunge wetu atakula taifa mali ya mtu. Ilikuwa ni shamba, sasa ni criminal. Sawa. Mtu anahangaishwa, hajapeleka hosi, amelazwa sela hapa ya Karen. Kwani Karen ndio?
Kwani mtaki
tunataka Tuju. Jokivira biuru watadu waro Tuju. Wadu waro Tuju bana. Okikuzi Tuju nukae. Tuju nukacha ndoko Tuju maraja. Tuju tego Tujuka. Osego Tujuka. No Tuju. No Tuju. Wananchi power. Wananchi power. Hatuchoki na tuendi. Tunataka Tuju. tupeleke hospitali. Huyo ni mbunge wetu, tunapeleka hospitali. Na tuendi mutayarisha chakula yenye mtatupatia mutayarisha chakula mtupee.
Wapi sapa?
Sapa yenu tunakula leo.
Hata leo hawa watoki hapa.
Tunataka sapa. No Tuju, no peace. Tunataka Tuju. Tuju akitolewa sisi tunaenda. Tuju akienda tunaenda. Tuju akitolewa tunaenda. Mbunge wetu akitolewa tunaenda. Tunataka Tuju. Tunataka Tuju. Tunataka Tuju. Utupee Tuju. Na mkimua mtajua mtuju. Mwananchi amaje nao watu wanacheza na wananchi yake.
Yes, there were 3 days they were affected.
Yeah, we have sent someone to the ambulance.
Yeah.
To give us a call.
Yes,
So that I can transport to the hospital.
that's all right.
These are the doctors.
They don't need the hospital.
Excuse me, they are not excuse me.
Officer.
But it's being attended to by a doctor. No. You must allow the doctors to do their work. Yeah. Allow the doctors to do their work. He has a right. Allow the doctors to do their work. But we are his lawyers. We are here as counsel.
It's okay, Wakili. But what's the matter on exam?
Yeah.
We don't know the extent of the injury.
And he had plates. Yeah.
The officers are the ones who are in the past.
Yeah, they are the ones who are interfering. And you cannot prevent the doctors from doing their emergency. No, the doctors will advise.
With our spines.
Yeah.
That's fine. We got surgery in 2020.
Yes.
If we move him,
With the spine, you don't
this
move.
time we have got something to carry. And they
When we examine or
Yes.
the extent of the damage first. No, but it should not be moved.
But you cannot move him, kienyeji.
What are we examining?
He's being examined. Hatuwezi, sisi ni wakili. Mimi kwanza niko hapa in the capacity of counsel and all of these are wakilis. Mimi siwezi toka. Nitatoka aje na sisi ni mawakili wake? He has a right to representation. He has a right to representation. Which officer is saying that he should not be given medication? Hawezi shikwa na askari. No, he needs medication.
Yes, yes. We can.
He was in a lot of pain. You give him some painkiller.
Don't give it up on the